Hello students. In the previous chapter of quadratic equation, we have done the solution of quadratic equation, that is by factorization method, right? So in this chapter, we will learn how to solve the quadratic equation without the help of factorization. That means there are some other rule by which we can solve the quadratic equation. The first thing is that you have to convert the equation in this form at first: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Right? Now, how the formula or how the value comes, this is called Sridhar Acharya method. That is, the formula is given in the book. But just see how it comes. Look, the condition of this equation to be a quadratic will be a not equal to 0. Because if a equal to 0, it will not be a quadratic equation. Now dividing both sides by a, we get 0 by a. Equal to 0. Minus c by a, right? Now adding both sides b by 2a whole square. Why? So that we can get a perfect square here. B by 2a, right? Look what we are getting here: x square plus 2 into a into b. If we write 2b, if we write b by 2a, then 2 cancel a, bx by a, right? Plus b by 2a whole square. That is equal to 2a is the LCM, minus 2c plus b, right? Minus 2c plus b. So we are getting x plus b by 2a whole square equal to minus 2c plus b by 2a, right? No, it's wrong. We have added b by 2a whole square. So this will be, this part is, no. This is minus c by a plus b square by 4a square, right? So we are getting 4a square is the LCM. So we are getting minus 4ac minus 4ac plus b square. So x plus b by 2a whole square equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Taking square root on both sides, we get plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that implies x equal to minus b by 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac. That implies x equal to 2a minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. So this is the value of x from quadratic equation. I am writing the value of here. This is the value of x from this type of equation. This is a quadratic equation, standard quadratic equation. So whatever the equation is given, at first we have to convert it into this form, then we can apply this formula. This is called Sridhar Acharya method. So what we are getting here from this, we get x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now what is a, b, c? This part you have to remember. Look, what is b? B is the coefficient of x. B is the coefficient of x. A is the coefficient of x square, and c is the coefficient. C is the constant term. In other form, we can write that x equal to, from applying the formula सीधा अच्छी रहे, x equal to minus, this is coefficient of x square, no, coefficient of x plus minus root over, what is b? Coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square, coefficient of x whole square, right? Minus 4 into AC. What is a coefficient of x square? This is coefficient of x square into constant term. Constant term by 2 into a. What is a? A is coefficient of x square. This is the formula. Minus coefficient of x plus minus coefficient of x square minus 4 into coefficient of x square into constant term by 2 into coefficient of x square, right? Or rather, it's, remember, 2 minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this way, we can find any value. Okay. Now we take 1. 2 का 2. टू एक्स प्लस 3. 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Look, this is not in the form. This is not in this form. I've told you at first you have to convert it in the form this one. So multiply this one, 2x into 3x minus 2 plus 3 into 3x minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. So this is 2 into 3, 6x square minus 4x plus 9x minus 6 plus 2 equal to 0. Write 6x square plus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. Right? 2 into 3x, 6x square minus 4x plus 9x minus 6 plus 2 equal to 0. 6x square plus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. Look, now comparing it with the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a equal to 6, b equal to 5, c equal to minus 4, right? A equal to 6, b equal to 5, c equal to minus 4. Therefore, x equal to minus b minus 5, right? Plus minus b square minus 4ac, that is 5 square minus 4 into 6 into this one. B square minus 4ac, b is 5, whole square minus 4 into a is 6, right? A is 6, b is 5, c is minus 4 by 2a. 2 into what is a? A is 6. That means minus 5 plus minus, this is 25, right? Minus 7 say plus 96 by 12, right? Now what will I do? X equal to x, this is not needed, x is 5.3 minus 5 plus minus 121 by 12, or x equal to minus 5 plus minus 11 by 12, right? That implies now, okay? Now taking positive sign, x equal to minus 5 plus 11 by 12, that is 6 by 12 equal to half, and taking negative sign, negative sign বা minus sign, whatever we get, this part is not required. X equal to minus 5 minus 11, mostly that is there, right? Minus 11 by 2, that is minus 16 by 12, that is minus 4 by 3, right? Plus 11 is minus 11, okay? Minus 16 by 12, that is 4, yes. So required answer, required solution, x equal to half comma minus 4 by 3, right? In this way we will apply. One thing, before writing this, most probably we did not write applying Sridhar Acharya formula, okay? I have already wrapped this one. Before applying the formula x equal to, whenever you are writing x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, whenever you are applying this, before that you should write applying the formula. By applying Sridhar Acharya formula we get, then we go for x equal to, right? Okay. Look, this is 6-2. This is a form. So applying, this is of the form a square minus bx plus c form. So applying Sridhar Acharya formula, we get x equal to, what is b? Coefficient of x, that is minus of minus 4a. This part is b, right? Minus b. Write the formula is easy to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. So minus b is here minus 4a plus minus b square minus 4ac, that means this square. 4a means coefficient of x square, that is 4, and c means whole under bracket this one, that is constant term, a square minus b square by 2a, a is 4, right? So 4a plus minus, this is 16a square, right? Minus, that is 16 into a square minus b square by 8. That means 8, 4a plus minus 16a square minus 16a square plus 16b square, right? This one cancelled. So we are getting x equal to 4a plus minus 4b by 8. Why? Because root under 16b square, root under 6, this one cancelled. So root under 16b square is 4b. So that means x equal to 4a plus minus b, 4 taking common, a plus minus b by 2. So required solution, x equal to a plus b by 2, a minus b by 2. Okay, that is the final answer. Okay, thank you.